Hello, my name is Jeff, and welcome to Select Motors Ltd. Our website is selectmotors.com. This is a 2005 E500 4MATIC. The 4MATIC is all-wheel drive, and it is an E-Class, and the 500 is a V8 5-liter. The color is Pewter Metallic with a black interior. On the 2005, they updated the wheels. They are in good shape, and they have recently new Continental tires. The leather is in excellent condition. Very nice real wood grain trim. Power seats on both sides with memory and heated as well. Rear climate control has a LED readout. Dual control for left and right side. Has a rear shade package and a power shade on the rear glass. Nice color combination. So look at the inside. This has a rain sensing windshield wipers, power moonroof, power tilt and telescopic steering. Start it up for you. There's the mileage. There's the automatic climate control. The command screen, that's the navigation. It also has satellite radio. It's a Bose sound system. There's a nice look at the wood trim. And these are controls for the suspension. You can adjust the firmness of the ride and the height. Drives excellent, lots of power, very comfortable and very safe automobile. So one owner and low miles. Thank you for looking in. Give us a call and we will tell you more about this beautiful Mercedes.